Finvest app pricing explained what you get for your money. Finvest is an investing app designed for beginner and intermediate investors who want a simple, low-cost way to grow their wealth. Most people assume investing apps charge high monthly fees, but Finvest keeps pricing affordable and straightforward. The platform offers a free plan that allows users to invest in a limited selection of ETFs and track their portfolio performance. The premium plan costs per month and unlocks automated portfolio rebalancing, tax loss harvesting and access to a wider range of ETFs. There are no account maintenance fees or hidden charges. Finvest also provides goal-based investing, letting users set targets for retirement, education or short-term savings. For example, investing monthly in a diversified portfolio can be automatically rebalanced each quarter to optimize growth and reduce risk. This hands-off approach is ideal for users who want a simplified investing experience without managing every trade manually. The surprising truth is that for just a few dollars per month, investors get access to professional-level portfolio management tools and automated features that can help maximize returns over time. Many underestimate how automation can simplify investing and improve long-term outcomes. In conclusion, Finvest pricing is affordable, transparent, and designed to help users build diversified portfolios with minimal effort. Understanding plan tiers and benefits ensures investors can choose the option that best fits their goals and budget.